How to remove suggested people on Messenger. So if you want to remove suggested people on Messenger, then what you need to do, first you need to open up your Messenger application and go with the upper left, which has that 3-bar icon. Now once you tap on the 3-bar icon, scroll all the way down, or just simply go with settings, which is on the top right. Once you're under settings, now you just need to simply scroll all the way down and tap on Account Center. Under Account Center, you need to go with information and permissions, tap on it, and tap on upload contacts and choose your messenger. And here you need to go with upload contacts again. Tap on upload contacts. Once you tap on upload contacts, here on the bottom, you will have turn off option. So tap on turn off. Once you turn off your upload contacts, then your suggestions will be removed. But it will not immediately remove. It might take some time, just a few hours or a few days, and your suggestions will be removed. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.